Today's weather across South Florida and Georgia is being modulated by several macro scale features. An upper level trough slash cutoff low over the mid Atlantic slash Virginia, North Carolina region, abundant tropical moisture surging north, a weak surface front or boundary draped near or south of Florida, and a mid slash upper level jet streak and embedded vort maximum that enhance lift over parts of South Florida. Meanwhile, Georgia remains under more stable influence, though not entirely immune to brief showers given weaker systems aloft and moisture wraparound. Southeast. The cutoff low aloft centered over North Carolina slash Virginia is key. Its presence and slow evolution yields a trough that feeds moisture into the southeast, especially across Florida, via flow around its backside. This provides a synoptic lift source. Also, an upper-level jet streak nearby is enhancing divergence aloft in certain quadrants, strengthening vertical motion and making thunderstorms more likely where moisture is abundant and boundaries are present. Surface features. A weak boundary trough is slowly shifting over Florida. In Georgia, the low pressure off the Carolinas is drawing in moisture, but without a strong forcing mechanism over most of Georgia. Florida, deep layer moisture is increasing, especially from Melbourne southward. Precipitable water, P-watt values in many parts are approaching approximately 2 inches or slightly under in northern Niagara-central portions, and higher near the coast further south. This sets the atmosphere to support heavy rainfall. The mid-level vort max embedded in the trough aloft helps locally enhance lift. This means rising motion is more efficient in those spots. When storms initiate, the upward motion is stronger. A jet streak aloft strengthens divergence in favorable quadrants, which helps promote thunderstorm development, especially in the afternoon when daytime heating and sea breeze convergence provide boundary forcing. A surface boundary Chach trough drifting across the peninsula and the presence of sea breeze circulations act as local triggers. These boundaries help concentrate low-level convergence and enhance storm initiation over coastal interior zones. Forecasted behavior and hazards. Rounds of showers and thunderstorms through today into Friday, particularly along and south of Melbourne, especially on the east coast and inland toward Okeechobee. Rain chances increase gradually northwards as moisture builds. Instability is moderate to weak in places. Cape generally under approximately 1,000 joules per kilogram northward of the IR4. Stronger further south, but slow storm motions, approximately 10 miles per hour or less. And repeated training storms mean that even weaker storms can produce locally heavy rainfall and possibly flash flooding in urban or low-lying zones. Flight implications. Expect MVFR/IFR conditions in storm cores, especially later in the day. Localized heavy rain may reduce visibility, probably more turbulence and convective updraft/downbursts. Overnight, scattered storms and showers will persist, especially from Melbourne southward. Coastal terminals more likely impacted. Winds. Light to moderate onshore, northeast turning easterly, with sea breeze effects and gusts near stronger storms. Summary and key takeaways. In Florida, expect an uptick in convective activity starting today, with heavier rainfall risks, lightning, gusty winds, and localized flooding. Storm motions will be slow, so repeated events are possible, particularly along coastlines and near boundaries. Visibility and ceilings may degrade in localized storm cores. In Georgia, conditions remain more benign. Only isolated storms expected mainly in northern and mountainous areas. Severe risk is low. For operations, the concern is more about unexpected local convective activity late afternoon or over higher terrain. For both regions, pilots should pay attention to moisture surges, as tracked via PWAT, development of steering flow aloft, and the location movement of surface boundaries, sea breeze fronts, surface troughs, which can be the focal points for storm initiation. Also, overnight through early morning conditions may include lingering moisture and showers in Florida. Expect less diurnal variability there, more persistent coverage,